fun. You can spend a few minutes playing with that, add a bunch of bubbles, or take some out, see what you get. You can make some pretty interesting sound here. Try playing with circles inside of circles, that's always fun. Anyway, that's Pulsate ad available at the App Store. So today, let's actually talk about what we're going to talk about today. Where'd my browser go? Let's bring that back. Bring that back, bring that back, yo. Nope, that's the wrong browser. So let's see if we can reopen them. Yes. And let's go to talk about LastPass and how you can use it to save you time when you need to leave comments on other people's blogs. Now that's a practice that you need to get into if you want to become a better blogger. That is to participate in other people's blogs, because it shows a number of things on your part that you appreciate other people's writings and that you want them to do the same for you. You also are letting the people know around when you leave a comment that you're trying to keep up to date with the trends and technology going on around that topic. So then that in turn helps you when you write a blog post, because people know that you know what you're talking about. So, but filling out a form, a blog post comment sometimes can take a little while, especially if you're new to the whole thing. So I'm going to show you a cool little app that I've talked about before. And this is just one of the features from LastPass. It actually is a security program to manage your passwords. But one of the other things that it does really well, it's a nice feature about it, is that it can manage all kinds of information that you need to fill out in forms on a regular basis. Be it your credit card, be your shipping information for your company, for your home. I'll show you some of the profiles I've created and how I use them. But I'm going to show you how I have one that lets me leave comments on people's blogs, and I do it kind of quickly. So let's take a look at Robert's blog, for example. And over here at robertcardozalive.com, there's a lot of posts here. Now if I wanted to leave a comment on this post, at the very bottom you'll see that there's a comment form. This is a bad example because there's no fields, but let's go to another form. Let's see, can we find a comment? Yeah, this one right here. That's actually exactly where I wanted to leave a comment. So scroll down to the bottom and there's this conversation going on that's really interesting about this plugin. And I agree with the people talking about it. There's a plugin that's really good for this. So I want to reply to both of them. So I'm going to reply to the top poster. And instead of having to fill this out by first name, email, website, and then my comment, I simply use the LastPass button over here at the top. Then go down to fill forms and pick my blog that I want to fill the comment. In this case, I'm going to fill a comment as if I was signing in with my oscarstech blog. Notice how that when I clicked on that, it automatically filled in my name, my email address, and my website address. Now I can just leave a comment. So here's my comment. I've just finished, but again, I didn't have to fill in the name, email, website, and now I can just click on post comment and be on my way to the next blog. What's really cool about this is that if we go to, again, this is already filled out because I already did it once, but I can fill it out with another comment. For example, another blog engine. For example, I could log in with my personal, and it should have changed. Fill form with my personal one. Yeah, so it changed. Notice the address is now different. So you can make that happen for any number of blogs. Here you'll see that I have 4 blogs set up here, and then I also have shipping information for when I want to ship a product to my house or to my office or a PO box. Also, when I join a new social network, I have this that fills out all my information, like first name, last name, email, website, all that information in there, and so I don't have to type it in every time. Again, this is LastPass, so if you go to lastpass.com, you can sign up. It's free. They have some premium features available if you're interested on a little more security. For example, you could protect the access to the service by using a biometric system like a thumbprint or whatever kind of system you want, or a 2-factor authentication system. But really what you want to use it for is to secure your passwords and to save you time when you're filling out forms. So I hope that was useful. Let me know what you want to see next. Send your emails to questions@oscarstech.com or find me on Twitter and let me know what you want to hear next. So thank you and have a good day. Remember Pulsate, cool little app. Have a good one. Bye.